Mackenzie, what Santa Claus brought you?
Toys.
He brought you a lot of toys.
A lot.
You happy?
I'm happy. Me too.
You gonna be good. You better be good. See, Santa almost didn't bring you nothing. Because you was acting up last night, but I heard. And he was like, he knocked on the door. And he was like, should I give Mackenzie her Christmas presents? I said, yeah, because she's been learning her ABCs. And she's been doing good at school. So he was like, you sure? I was like, yeah. I said, she's been doing real good at school. She needs her Christmas presents because she's been learning her ABCs, right? You ain't been learning your ABCs?
Yeah.
You have? You did do good. So I'm happy y'all happy. And I'm happy this is Christmas Day. I'm grateful for y'all.
Thank you, Santa Claus. We love you so much.
Y'all came to see me. Okay? All right.
Save your ring. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains, repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat, repeat the sounding joy. Sing joy, sing joy, sing joy. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of his righteousness and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders.
He gave me a
Thank you.
little figure hat. It had the skull. It might have to wear these bad hair days.
1, 2, 3.
Ta-da!
Now you say, say.
Oh,
There you go.
Michael Kors, tennis. This
Joy to the world, the Lord is come.
I gotta go finish the food. Oh. You not gonna help me?
Not helping me? No. Why you not helping me?
Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing.
Ooh, girl. Let me see. Ooh. Hey. Let me see. Look at my shoes, hey. You like my shoes?
I like your shoes.
I can't wear nothing but tennis shoes.
Yeah, bad as your feet are. You gotta wear flat
What
shoes
you-
from now on. Yeah. You can't wear no heels or nothing.
Yeah.
No wedge.
They
No
hurt.
wedge shoes.
Gary? Girl, I'ma die when I can't wear my heels no more.
joy to the earth.
Time for you to open your big dice house.
Friend.